Hello everyone, welcome to Bumble Tutorial. In this video, I will walk you through the simple steps to log into your Bumble account. First, look at your Bumble app on your device and tap to open it. Once the app is open, you will be taken to the login screen. Here you can see two options. Choose the option in which you have created your Bumble account. In my case, I have used my mobile number, so click on Use Mobile Number. Now type your phone number and click on the arrow on the right hand side of your screen. After clicking on the arrow, you will be asked to verify your number. Tap OK to continue. Now you will be directed towards a quick security check. Enter the code that is displayed on your screen. It may vary. After typing the code, click on the arrow on the right hand side. That's it. Now you have successfully logged into your Bumble account. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with others.